told him, he said, I'm done with this. God, if you want this, you can do it by yourself. Have you ever said to God, I'm throwing in the towel because I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to keep praying. I don't want to keep fasting. Because the more I keep praying and the more I keep fasting, the worse things become. What am I going to do? Jeremiah said, I'm giving up. I'm not going to do this no more. He said, I'm throwing in the towel. But just when he threw in the towel, he just started sitting there. And he said his word was like fire. His word was like fire. I want you to know, even though I feel like giving up, his word is like fire. When I want to throw in the towel, I just start thinking about what God did for me. Can somebody just get a memory and say, I remember what God did for me. I remember when I was hungry. I remember when I had just one pair of shoes. I remember when nobody was around me, but God was there. Do you remember what it was like when you didn't have some friends, you didn't have a good job, but you were struggling, but God was there? Can anybody remember what it was like when nobody cared about you but God? And so with that same mind, I'm telling the devil, I changed my mind. I was going to give up. I was going to throw in the towel. I was going to tell God, forget this. But I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I'm going the right way. I'll keep living for you. I'll keep serving you. Though it doesn't feel good. Though I'm tired. Though I'm not satisfied. I'm going to keep doing it. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Stand to your feet. I've changed my mind. Your love will be longer than that. I'm done. You've got to make up your mind. I'm sticking with God.
All right, that's right. That's right.
It's not about the situations and the stuff around you.
That's right.
Because I've made a decision, I'm sticking with my decision. It's not going to feel good.
That's right.
But that's the choice I made, and I'm sticking with my choice. So no matter what comes from hell, I'm sticking with it. I'm just going to stick with it. Since you said I'm just going to stick with it. Because you know what? After that time of, when you make those, you have those moments, you can create a disaster.
Talking right, sir.
And all you can say is, well, it was just one time. All it takes is one time.
That's right. One time.
All I need is one mistake.
One mistake.
And I messed up. One time of being in the wrong place at the wrong time, it'll be your last time.
Yes, sir. Right. That's the truth.
I just want to encourage you today. Stick with your decision.
Yes, sir.
If that's what your decision was to be with God, then stick.
Stick. Won't move. Stick.
I'm sticking. I'm not leaving this. I don't always feel like it, but it's not based on my feelings.
That's right.
Who said it was based on my feelings? When did God ask me what I felt?
All right. That's the truth. That's right.
What